Alright, now let's work on stopping the paddle when the player releases a key. So let's just copy this real quick. But instead of key down, we're going to do key up. And let's just change this to stop. So if we release one of these keys, we're going to stop the paddle. So let's just create a quick function in here. Stop. This dot speed equals 0. Let's try it out. Alright, that works great. But here's a problem. If I'm pushing left, and then I push right, and I release the left key, it kind of stops for a second. So what we need to do is we need to make sure that it's moving in the same direction that we're releasing. So if we release the left key, we need to say if paddle.speed is less than 0, so if it is traveling left, we will stop. If we release the right key, we need to check if the paddle.speed is greater than 0. So if it is traveling right and we release the right key, it'll then stop. Let's try it. There we go, no stuttering. Now it works as intended.